Tamil Nadu Magnesite Limited. Tamil Nadu Magnesite Limited TANMAG Tamil Tamilnadu Velaikalniravnam is a state government undertaking of Government of Tamil Nadu located in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is mining and processing magnesite minerals in Salem region. Government of Tamil Nadu formed Tamil Nadu Magnesite Limited, popularly known as TANMAG, in January 1979. Company produced dead burnt magnesite, likely calcined magnesite from raw magnesite. Company owned captive mine and 2 factories to produce DBM and LCM of various grades. Objectives. TANMAG Company have various objectives that are listed below. Usage of mineral wealth for industrial growth, promotion of socio-economic development, environment protection, maximum usage of mineral for various product. Process of winning of raw magnesite involves selection and preparation of site, drilling, blasting, picking, dressing, sorting and stacking, removal of reject to spoil bank. TANMAG products: lightly calcined magnesite, dead burnt magnesite, unite, raw magnesite slaty and dust.